place. Oh wait, it's not brekkie place. The cafe. And little Weewa over there. 2 little Weewas over there. A bit too late. I already ate most of my food. They just give me too much bacon. And a salad. Lee had the fish burger. I will more the steak. Okay, so. I like for you, but the cash in. She wants to collect. Or we could just book them like a weekend at Hyatt. No. Again, because they like it. So I'm going to a women's conference tonight, going with my sisters and some of my cousins and friends. This is a dress I got from Boohoo, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. I got to pick up my mum, so I'm going to leave now, go and pick her up and make my way there. But I wish I could take you guys. I just don't want to hold you guys around. Guys, I'm currently making some bone broth. I took off the meat off the bone and I put the bones back in there for another 12 hours. So it will be like 24 in total. That's the broth. I guess what initiated me to make broth in the first place was that I went to the farmer's market really late yesterday and I actually didn't get any of the stuff that I wanted. All that was left at the meat shop was the bones. It's really, really beneficial for your gut. And the Lord knows this gut needs some restoration. It's just, there are so many benefits to bone broth and I mean, you can look it up yourself. We're going to go and pick up my parents soon because we're going out to Goulburn to go and get more things for this Goi'inga's bar stuff or Samoa stuff. Morning, darling. Halamayat get fongia de furuku makama. Fule as. Aye. This guy just went and got, I mean, don't get me wrong, I used to love this, but this is so toxic, boy. Can you please put it in when I leave, because it's going to be right here and I'm going to be sniffing the heck out of that. We're just trying to figure out how to lay the wire because it's very long. Also only has a short tray. So this thing got me all the way messed up trying to lift it up, and it looks so much heavier than, it was so much heavier than it looked. That lady just standing there not even helping. She had sons in there who obviously didn't want to come out and help. I mean, it wasn't their job, she did say, to bring someone to help. And I was clearly the next best option. My hand ended up getting scraped. I have now a very deep cut. Is this legal? So my mum wants to stop off here and have coffee, breakfast. I don't have that much of an appetite. So I got a cheese and bacon pie. Mum got a carrot cake and a latte. Dad got 2 pies and half of Mum's cake. And also got a bacon and egg roll. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm in a little bit of a rush at the moment. I just got back from the farmer's market. Aussie's gone to the gym. Darnell called me, my nephew, my 14, almost 14-year-old nephew, called me and asked me if I'm going to his game. I said yes, and his game starts in 15 minutes. The place where he's playing at is about 30 minutes away, so I'll miss a little bit of it. I'm on call this weekend, which is annoying, so I'll have to take my laptop. I've got my electrolytes here. Oh, and my water filter's doing really, really well. Thanks for asking. No one asked. And this Nexpa drink, most of you guys know I go hard for some Nexpa. I absolutely love Nexpa. My favorite at the moment is the orange and mango mineral one. This tastes really disgusting when you buy it straight from the store, but I think the trick is you have to refrigerate it. It tastes 100 times better when you refrigerate it. Oh, and also, I should have made my bone broth on camera. Some of you guys were asking. If you really want to know, head over to my Instagram, Vikolia Key. Check it out if you really want to know how I make my bone broth.
What's up, everyone? It's Saturday and we come here to watch Darnell's game. So, hope you guys have a great week. Peace!
So, just pulled up. I can see my mum and dad all the way over there with my cousins. Walk over there now. Oh, maybe.
last night, and then like around 12.
Hey girls! Back with the crew, my dad. Back with the crew, the squad, the team. So, how's everyone? How's your week? These ones aren't actually. They were just blah blah blah. Just before. You did the horse gallop. Daniel just scored and I did not get that on camera. It was like right there. Right there. Good work now. That was so funny. That was so funny.
He runs like a...
Runs like you. Like. This is Willie. Willie Mariner. Hey Mariner. Oh really? Why did I feel like it was so high?
We played Rams. Yes.
You were goosing around, were ya? Big man.
Like I was.
How many scores you get?
2.
Oh. Not enough, mate.
One for me, shy.
Guys, so we're just leaving Nell's game now, even though he's left a long time ago. We're just catching up with some fams. Uelese? Who's that talking to? I think I know him. He lives in Queanbeyan.
No, he lives in...
Yeah, he always comments on our videos. Yeah, so what's the plan for us today, baby? Clean our house?
Clean our house.
Yeah. I'm babysitting tonight, so... Guys, so my sister and her partner have gone to a birthday party. So, like the good sister I am, I volunteered to look after her 2 little ones. I've only got one of them at the moment. He's currently sleeping and Uelese's at the gym. So I'm playing mummy tonight, but I hope he just sleeps the whole time. He's still asleep. So I'm going to be making my keto pizza. If you want to know the recipe, then follow me on Vicolia Key, and I have a video there for you. Oh, the crying's begun. Hey, darling. What? Shh, shh, shh. Take off your shoes. Hey, puppy. Hi. You all sweaty? You all sweaty? Hey. He's never been to my house before. He's like, where am I? And why did my mommy leave me? Well, hey. You don't want to borrow me. Huh? Shh. You got boy. All around. All around. Let the nation sing. Let your people shout, manifest your love. There is something in my roof. Dude, there is legit something in my roof. I mean, not that you guys will be able to see anything, but can you hear it? It's like a little dog or something. This is my little nephew, Uelese. He's named after my brother. Say hello. Da. Da. Let's call Uncle Uelese. Umi kere ngaru Uncle Uelese gym. Whaya Uelese wala wanga maso. Uwhi me songa whai ai. Ngā whai loko o rua. Something's in our roof. It's running around everywhere. It's trying to get him to go get the remote. All the way over there. Ta? Yeah? Oh, darling. He just wants cuddles. Okay, let's go change a nappy. I'm sure you've done lots of wee-wees in there. Done lots of wee-wees in there. Okay, mate, you're going to have to stop farting. Can you do that for me? Because this little butt has farted 4 times while you're lying on me. So stop the toots. Guess who's here? Uncle Uelese's here. Where to? Hungry? Say hi to everyone. We went and picked up Eddie from my parents. My parents are gone as well. He's not touching the pizza, just everything else.
Yeah, come on. Give some to Pepe.
Nice sharing, Eddie. I've had something to eat, but I'm not satisfied that it was nutritious enough. So I'm just boiling some pumpkin. Gonna mash it up for baby and put a little bit of salt in there, sea salt. And then I might scoop in some of my broth juice, or I've also ordered a laksa, so I might scoop that in as well with some noodles and chicken and beef. It's too funny. Okay guys, so this is baby Les's food. Guys, he's loving the pumpkin. Yeah, he loves it. With the bone broth.
Wow. Yummy? Is that yummy, Eddie? Why?
Scissors, paper, rock. Scissors, paper, rock. Bonk. I'm already tired, man. Come here and sit down. I'll call you when the bath is ready, okay? Get it out, Eddie. This is one of my natural charcoal soaps. I'll be bathing them in. I just put a little bit of white vinegar in there because they have a little bit of eczema. And so that really helps. Not too much.
Like a fluffy shower.
Hello, Peepa! Hey guys, we just finished church. Got a snacky boy here.
We just finished church, guys, so we're gonna do some stuff before we go into dinner. Mother's Day dinner.
Yeah, we got a fam Mother's Day dinner. We just went grocery shopping. I'm gonna put away this whakao.
Yeah, what's up? Just cleaning the dishes and get ready for tonight, you know? Let's go!